The CDC says this year's flu vaccine is working at a rate of only about 20%. So is that number high enough to warrant getting vaccinated? LEX 18's Michael Burke took that very question to a Lexington physician to get the answer.
Just another winter day at the Veterans Park Lexington Clinic.
Open one.
Just another flu swab test.
It goes up your nose, okay?
So many of these have come back positive this season. And it's likely because the CDC has rendered this year's vaccine to be only 20% effective, lowest since 2004.
Some years we do better than others at the CDC, but this year has not been their best year. But still it is at least 20% effective.
That's a low efficiency rate to be sure, but many of the vaccine's benefits still exist.
A less severe case, it lasts not as long.
And it can work to help stave off other issues.
A less likelihood to get a secondary infection, like pneumonia or ear infections or throat infections.
And while the groundhog told us 6 more weeks of winter, the flu season might go for even longer than that.
We have still not hit the peak of this flu season.
That's scary when you consider the 11 flu-related deaths already in Fayette County. And that number alone makes that other number feel pretty high.
Still worthwhile. Still encourage you to get your flu shot, even if it is February, even if it is only 20%.
Long odds, but it's a safe bet when lives could be at stake. Covering the news in Lexington.
And again.
Michael Burke, LEX 18 News.
Dr. Prendergast and the staff at the Veterans Park Lexington Clinic are still offering those flu shots, and she urges anyone with flu-like symptoms, even if they seem minor, to see a doctor immediately.